Hey there, Honda fans! Today, we are putting two Passport powerhouses head-to-head. The 2026 Honda Passport versus the 2025 model. Is the newer version worth the wait, or does the 2025 still hold its ground as the ultimate adventure SUV? Let's dive in and find out which one deserves a spot in your driveway. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell. The 2026 Honda Passport rolls in with a beefy 3.5-liter stick pumping out to 185 horsepower. That's 5 more horses than the old one. It's got all-wheel drive as standard, so you can conquer snow, dirt, and maybe even the grocery store parking lot. Average combined MPG sits between 20 and 21, which isn't bad for a big old SUV. But the price? Oh, folks, it starts at $44,750 and goes all the way up to $53,650. Still, you're getting a tougher, more updated Passport. The 2025 Passport still got some tricks up its sleeve. It's rocking the same 3.5-liter V6, but with 280 horsepower, just a smidge less than the new one. It's also all-wheel drive and gets a slightly better combined MPG of 21. Plus, it's cheaper, starting at $42,400 and topping out at $48,580. That's a nice chunk of donut money saved right there. Oh baby, this thing got some goodies. Heated wipers! Yes, please! No more scraping ice like it came in. You get standard drive modes like Toy Con, Normal, and Sport, because sometimes you want to haul stuff and sometimes you want to haul butt. The available multi-view camera system, plus front and rear camera washers, make parking a breeze. And let's not forget the big, beautiful 12.3-inch touchscreen, way bigger than the puny 8-inch one in the 2025 model. No conversation mirror. Lame. How am I supposed to keep an eye on the kids or my snacks in the back seat? The side mirror turn indicators aren't standard either, which feels like a miss for such a high-tech upgrade. And let's face it, that higher price tag stings harder than stepping on a Lego. This older Passport got some sweet perks too. Walkaway auto lock for all doors is standard on all trims. No more running back to check if you locked it. Fully leather seats are standard too. Why the new one mixes in cloth? And check this out. It's got 10 more cubic feet of cargo space than the 2026 model. That's room for more snacks. Okay, so it's not perfect. No hidden cargo bins like the new one. Boo. Plus, no standard Wi-Fi. And wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are nowhere to be found. And the old school analog instrument cluster feels a bit ancient. The 2026 model's fancy 10.2-inch digital display kinda shows it up. The all-new Passport is like they took the old one, crammed in more stuff, and said boom, more awesome. It's got more available features, more standard goodies like a 9-speaker sound system. Take that, old Passport, with your puny 7 speakers. Plus more ground clearance and extra room for passengers to stretch out. Only downside, it costs more. Joe! The old Passport might not have all the fancy new tech or extra features, but it's still got some tricks up its sleeve, like standard full leather seats, none of that cloth mix nonsense, and walkaway auto lock for all doors. Yeah, the new one has more room for passengers, but the old one got more cargo space and more room for snacks is always a win. Oh, did I mention it's cheaper? So which one's revving your engine? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell.